If you need to report a Facebook account and you want to do it the right way, this video will walk you through the process step by step. I'll show you how to go to the person's profile, find the report option, choose the correct reason, and submit the report properly. Just a quick note before we begin. This video is for legitimate reporting only. If someone is impersonating you, spamming people, or breaking Facebook's rules, reporting is the correct and safe action. If this tutorial helps you, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Facebook and go to the profile of the person you want to report. You can do this by searching their name in the Facebook search bar, clicking their profile from a post or comment, or opening their account directly if you already have the link. Once you are on their profile page, take a moment to make sure you are on the correct account. This is important because you want to report the right profile and avoid any mistakes. Now look near the top of the profile page for the three dots, usually shown as an ellipsis icon. This is the menu that gives you more options for that account. Click on the three dots to open the drop-down menu. Facebook uses this menu to let you access profile-specific actions, including reporting someone if needed. From the menu, click on Find Support or Report. This is the option Facebook provides for reporting accounts, fake profiles, spam, impersonation, harassment, or other violations. Once you click it, Facebook will usually open a small report window or a set of follow-up options. This is where you tell Facebook what kind of issue you're seeing. Next, select the reason that best fits the situation. For example, if the profile is pretending to be someone else, choose something like fake account or impersonation. If the person is sending unwanted messages or acting suspiciously, you may see options like spam. Facebook may also show categories such as harassment, pretending to be someone, inappropriate content, or other. Choose the option that most accurately describes the problem because the more precise your report is, the better Facebook can review it. After selecting the reason, follow any additional prompts Facebook gives you. In some cases, Facebook may ask for a little more detail or show another screen to confirm your selection. Read the options carefully and continue through the report flow. Once everything looks correct, click Submit to send the report to Facebook. After you submit it, Facebook will review the report based on its policies and internal processes. Sometimes you may not see immediate results, and that's normal. Facebook typically handles reports through moderation systems and, in some cases, human review. If the account is actually violating the rules, Facebook may take action based on their findings. If you want to be extra careful, you can also block the account after reporting it, especially if you do not want to see or interact with that profile again. But only do this if it makes sense for your situation and safety. The main steps for reporting are still the same. Go to the profile, click the three dots, choose Find Support or Report, select the correct reason, and submit. And that's it. You've now learned how to report someone's Facebook account in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.